Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. Thank you very much, Bafethu Seskhona, for Tinagule Sunday, Bafethu. And I want to start by saying thank you very much for our subscribers. We appreciate you guys.
What would you say to deserve a big, in fact, hand of applause?
Yes, my brother.
Let's get
a very big one to you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And keep subscribing.
Yeah.
Keep subscribing, Bafethu Siyabonga. And the other thing that is gonna say we thank you is by giving you a show, an educative show every day.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Bafethu. And I want to start by saying shout out to Abafethu abahambisa abantwana egele every morning, especially la emakasi. Ngiyalibona ma chance. Nihambisa abantwana inqosi zenu, whether a crash, whether esgele, especially ama-primary, yabo.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a good thing to do, Bafethu. You show that you take care of your kids, irrespective of ama circumstances anvelelayo, because abanye bayenza lezo zinto mfethu under difficult circumstances. Abakhona ukwenzela abantwana babo izinto bebafuna ukubayenzela. Wabona? So that is a difficult situation where abanye nje they are just pushed by evil forces. Evil forces, they are pushing them behind in a form of words.
Okay.
Wabona? Hey, uzobona umntwana mara una next. Awenzele lo mntwana next, awumenzele next. Wabona? Yeah, that might not be visible, my brother, to other people that they don't want to see. But when I say to you, you are doing a good thing. Nyanibona ekuseni every day ugaqimbeka inyane encane ukhapha inqosi yakho esigele. But at the same time, uhlangana nempintshi yakho ekuseni yale wena uyale uvana enqosi. Yabo? Hawu impintshi yakho hola bade niyagrithana lapha yana into grand. Nkawuzanyana, yabo? Hayi ngiphethe ishumi nje yami. Asiye la emakuleni la siba inkazo e1 fast. Plus mina ngiphethe nezolo kusho lo manje omunye yabona. Plus mina ngiphethe nezolo hayi 9 5 operies la isohlanganisa kuyavayiwa. Leso sikhathi in that minute nje akasakhulumi nomntwana. Yabo umntwana nje lokwathi.
Yes.
Mabakhuluma alokwathi. Uyabona? Bona babhizi mabafika la emakuleni babha inkazo e1 well bayankazo shama 2 qala lo khapha umntwana. Umntwana yena ulokwathi antangabloma yiye emakhuleni nyazwakala awuthengivayisele inqosi fast esigele. Yabo? Uthatha inqosi bayavaya. Sharp. Uyabuya. Yabona? Makabuya uyibuyela kuphi manje uya la emakhuleni. Bayobloma nontanga la. Ziyasha izolo. Phuphu. Bayakhuluma la into enganangqondo la. Yeah, I will say into enganangqondo because I don't want to dwell much on that.
Yes.
But my point here is leya nqosi leyana ma wake up esigele lokuthi it uyenza umsebenzi wakhe uyazifundisa and I remember they trust their parent and you are their father and uyakhuluma ngapho uyabhema puku that nje mpintshami ngicela ukucabange ngayo angithi ngithini. I don't criticize you anyway. I'm just saying, look at that. Because our children trust us and they do what we do.
Exactly.
That's how God created them to learn. That is why we start at a young level as people. Akekho nje sekamdala. And labantwana laba thina abantu abahamba ikolo bhuti wami I will say to parents, abantwana benu baqala e primary ukubhema. Most of them. Uyabona? Almost all of them baqale primary ukubhema mabaye high school sebafika bakhethana ngabomaqala nje group baya group. So but leyo umntana akho join a group enjani makafika high school.
Yes.
But they start at primary because wena uwobo umise esikolweni uqala uhamba naye.
Ubhema.
Yeah, lokubhema nenizolo uyabona. Yeah, umntana angayenza lento yenzayo after 7 years from there.
Yes.
And then ukwade. Uthi uzikhipha ungasaconfess nokuthi wena wawenzani.
Yes.
Uyabona? Yeah. Uyabona? There is something you can do. Ungathi there is nothing you can do. Ungabhemeli phambi komntana wakho. Ungayenza ezinye izinto ongafuni umntana wakho azenze. Ungazenzi phambi komntana wakho. Even namagama. Don't say words that you're gonna be hurt by when they are spoken by your child now. Wabona? So imakatha mo. Wabona? So bafethu, I'm saying this, I'm fighting for my kids. Thank God.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, my brother, because Uppercut podcast is for the youth, man.
Yes.
It's for the future.
Yes.
Wabona? This Uppercut podcast is for the future, my brother.
Yes.
Wabona? So another thing, my brother, there's a comment that came into the last episode.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, I still remember it. The brother there was saying he's so thankful.
Yes.
He sees that I help in terms of gangsterism because it is way out of hand. Which is true, my brother. And that he wants to one day meet me and talk about solutions.
Yes.
And maybe identifying the problems. You know, that kind of conversation. Yeah, a progressive conversation. Building conversation. You know. So I agree with my brother, 100%, my brother. I know that is why I'm mentioning you. Your comment touched me. Yes. In that comment of yours, you said gangsterism is killing our kids, it's stealing our future, right? Yeah, even if not in those ways.
But just paraphrasing.
Yes. So I agree with you, my brother. You know, we will meet. I say it on record now.
Yes.
We will meet because that it will depend on our time and prioritizing.
Yes.
But we can meet, right? Yes. So in the meantime now, as we agree that the thing that you are crying about, my brother, is going on as we speak. So we can't really wait for the time that we meet, the meeting, actually. We can't wait for that because there are other things that we can solve via words.
Yes.
But in this one problem, there are many problems.
Exactly.
You know, so we must address them one by one to reach the bottom.
Yes.
Or the top of this. You know, my brother. So I will choose to say, my brother, and tell everyone now, because it is an important comment, that one.
Yes.
I want to tell everyone, Hor Buffett, I'm available in any way. You know, sometimes you may feel like, okay, right, send a voice note.
Yes.
And then I will deal with it, maybe with you or wherever you want me to deal with, or maybe you want me to address it here.
Yes.
I will do that.
Share it with the people. Man.
Yeah, and wherever that you are, remember, guys, as a number one educational speaker, I'm for real about that. Yes. You can call me one-on-one. Maybe you can call me and I will come and talk to that guy one-on-one, because that is important, my brother. That is very important. Now I can talk their language. I can speak their language because I said here I'm million years. Here I'm 25 years. One chala, my brother. I said that. So I know the language, many languages, because I'm from street, now my brother, and I was smart. So I know the language, both the language in the house, both the language in the street. So sometimes the problems are too many. So they are different from each one of us. Problem and then you know, I can talk to your child like in this way, particular way. only to find the very same problem it is happening to other child. Wabona, I can go and talk to him, but not in the same way.
Yes.
But I will be solving one problem. Because their problems themselves, they are not the same. They are not the same as people, mentally, and according to the things that are happening in their families. But the results, as a result, they are doing one thing. They are smoking, they are stealing, they are arrogant, they are killing people. You know what I'm saying, my brother? They are leaving school, you know. Yeah, but now I'm saying every parent, umzali omunye nomunye bafethu, feel free ukuthi ungibize. If ungibiza, I'll call. I don't have a problem. But my safety and make sure that ngisuthi, ngezile, ngilala kahle, ekseni ngivuka ngihambe. But believe me, the results are gonna be there. Ama results. Sometimes it's lentona ziyakhuzwa, but not in their language. Other people are failing to assess a person in a street mentality, in a streetwise mentality. Angazi ngayibeka kanjani, ngangithola ntona yami.
An active mentality.
Yes, because you can call psychologists and everyone. Those people are just going according to the book.
Exactly.
I'm not taking anything from them. They are professional. I respect them. Maybe me too. I need them. I don't know, but you know. But now I'm saying these kids in the street. There is this language, guys. In fact, it is not a language. The behavior that you must behave yourself. When you are going to contact with them.
Yes. In order to reach them.
Yeah. We were children.
Exactly.
But most of other people, older people, they can't go back to that level anymore. One thought. So these professionals, they are going just according to the book. And many people I saw, they relapse after talking to those. But now, I'm not saying they mustn't talk to those. Let's come together. Use us together. Plus, now when you think about money, the invoice, let's talk about the kid. Let's talk about the problem at hand, straight. One tell my brother, resolve a problem. When if you are too far, I said it time and time again. If neginala karaya na not over easy talking to this kid one-on-one. Wa hlokala re bue le bona ka group, wa hlokala re bue le bona one-on-one. Plus batho le batho di problems tsa bona ba fetwa di tshwana. O mongwe batla papa, o mongwe stoutu fela, wa bona, o mongwe ba mosebedisa batho ko strateng. O mongwe ke memoya. Now I can zoom. I start by zooming. Wa bona, ke na le the results, my brother. They have called me some places one-on-one. Just that other people, they don't want taba bona di hlako camereng. Because of the embarrassment of other people, you know. But happy, I still respect them and their opinion, because vele babang baba disgrace. Wabon nkare yena never vele problem. Wabon, yeah. But if lao batla ke tla ka di camera ko wena, because now your problem might affect other kids again. Yeah, if you want that, I will hear that from you. If you batla ke tle ke le number 1 educational speaker apa wherever you are, mpitse. I am for that. Hence I'm the number 1 educational speaker. Think about that. One taller, my brother. Think about that. That's my job, Buffett. Don't be scared.
Well, you definitely don't have to convince me, because I've seen that firsthand.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, so people will, I don't want them to be lost as to why I'm saying I'm the number 1 educational speaker. For what? I go deep about that, my brother. Deeper. Deeper. And I have equipment to do that in my mind. Everything is going to be fine, guys. Trust me. Danko. I'm a number 1 nje mawahlala vela nje. If you have a problem, just to talk nje. Nentona yakho nawe. Call me. No, nabosis namantombazane, you call me ngizokhuluma nentombazane yakho. Because la estrateni sisonke. I observed those. I have experience. Yabona. nabo cherry kuyaba botsotsi ngapha sicabanga ngokufana until once sisestradeni kaNkulunkulu. Sure, my brother. The other thing that I want to speak about, my brother, it's one of my prison stories, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. I once come across this terrifying story, my brother.
Yes.
Yeah. My brother, so I don't remember the exact date, man. It's a
Yeah.
so Buffett, you know, ngihlala ngithi prison itself, you might not come back. It might hold you forever.
Yes.
Yabo.
You mean like physically now?
Physically now,
Yes.
due to things that are happening. And if you survived and come out, mentally, my brother,
It
you
still
might
has
be
you.
affected.
Mm.
Yabo. Because there is this traumatizing story, my brother. I once say clap hoinyana on TikTok about it. Yabo. Yeah, but now you know TikTok must have those short stories.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it was this day, my brother. You know, I want people to listen to me. Abazali bonke, every parent, listen to this story and tell me. And while I'm speaking, you think about your kids. Put your kids as a character there,
Yes.
the main character. Wabon? Yes, because this particular day, people are visiting each other ngamasele lapha ejele. Yabona, mawuthanda ungalala ngapha, mawuthanda ungalala ngapha, because police are only interested in the equal number.
Yes.
Wabona, the number must be equal to the morning number when they are counting you guys.
Yes.
Wabona, sharp. So abanandaba ukuthi each and every cell how many people particularly. Wabona, yeah. So nangu lo bhuti lo uvakashele eseleni lethu. I will say ubhuti because he was like my peer at that time. Remember, I was around 20 to 25 years, man.
Yes.
So this guy visited us. In fact, visited his brothers, according to Inamba Yama 28.
Okay.
One told visited his brothers there, and they were together there until Boma past 6, past 5. Now, HL, we begin to close our space now.
Yes.
Wabona, they call it umteateya. Kwayenza lento yomteateya there. Yabona, that brother was in that umteateya, angithi.
Yes.
Yeah, and there is muteateya everywhere in the cell. Many muteateyas.
Many offices.
Yeah, one tell many territories, my brother. Wabona, inside that territory called cell room.
Yes.
So, salala ke around boma 10, I was a strange sound. Wabona, and people were talking there and there and there and there. Wabona, but now we went silent
Because of that sound.
because of that sound. Just after 10 o'clock, where they switched the lights of the prison off now.
Yes.
Wabona, the whole prison in the cell is off. 10 o'clock. Just after that, minutes after that, my brother, strange sound like there is a fight there. Wabona, but nobody sees, right? Yeah, it went on until it's silent, my brother. I can tell you now, I can speak for myself now, I did not sleep on the day. Azange ngilale
You
mngani.
couldn't.
Yeah, kusejele laphaya. Ngeke ulale ngoba you are more curious with what is happening exactly, because you don't see, and nobody's crying, nobody's talking, just go, and the bed little bit. All right, I want everyone to make a picture while I'm speaking this.
Yes.
Sure. Silent now after some time. How? Silent. Now bad smelling followed. Bad smell, my brother.
Yes.
I don't want to assume it was what. Bad smell. A very bad smell. A very bad smell. Whereby I could hear other people are opening windows in their mteateas. You understand me? They are opening windows. Just I was scared to open the window that is close to me because I was threatened from that sound. I was just threatened. So I was scared to move myself. Until so time went by. Up until my brother. One guy there.
Yes.
I couldn't identify as to who exactly. He went to the toilet. with some sijumbananyana. Wabona? Ingubo le iphethe isijumba kanje. The very same blanket that we are using to sleep. Yeah, he's holding it, but in a way of a bag.
Yes.
Yeah. And then he went to the toilet. After nakonyana, you hear flashing, maybe 2 to 3 to 4 times. But after that, he's back. He did that, my brother, 4 to 5 to 6 times. Right? Yeah. Silent in the cell. Silent in the cell. But the smelling was too hard, Bafet.
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone heard. The smelling was too hard. But I don't want to assume what was the smelling, what was the
cause of the smell.
What was the cause of the smelling, of the smell. Sharp. That thing happened over 5 times, I could say, my brother, really. After that, it went. Now, when I look at the time, I had a smaller time.
Yes.
Watch. When I look at the time, my brother, now, it's 2 o'clock now. 3 o'clock now.
Yes.
In that time of spitty of this guy. This guy was running around 2 o'clock now, going down. When I look at the time, it was now 4 o'clock. And in fact, 3 o'clock. I couldn't hear a thing now.
It was down.
Yeah, and the smell was going down a little by little. I could hear because all the windows of the cell, my brother, are open, except the windows that I'm aligning with.
Yes.
Yeah, all the windows were opened. That is why now I could feel, or the smell is going down now, little by little. But now it was here, like on my flesh, right in the front of my nose, my brother. I could feel. Even when I'm in the kitchen. So now, before I can get into the kitchen, it happened. Ka 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, while I tea, wako tronkong, bakala ka light, bakala ka sharper first kia, baround, and then otlaka boma 7 a.m. That time, ka fella se retsuile ne. I wanna retso my brother. It was tense in the cell. We could just look at each other without saying anything. We were communicating kamahloda. My brother, until and in the toilet, there was no blood, no nothing. Hence, I'm saying, I don't want to assume what was smelling. No. Because I thought we will see something, or I will see something in the bathroom while we were bathing. Nothing. My brother. And immediately I must get together now. After bathing now, immediately now we begin to prepare to be opened.
Yes.
The door is gonna be opened around 7. So now that guy that I saw yesterday, Bafet, I did not see him anymore. The visitor. I'm talking about that guy.
Yes.
He was not there anymore.
Damn.
And the police asked one on that cell, because it is worrying factor now when we sleep with this number and wake up with a lesser number. You see, it's a worrying factor because the doors of the prison are not opened. Unlike when they open with this number and now close with different number, that is not bigger worry. They can leave that and go and count the whole total up front. So now in the morning, how? The number is different. One tell my brother. They did ask us, my brother. Nobody knows. That's when I see her already. Ibosha. Mazita zazazaz. Zlogozaz. Zlogos boni.
Everyone knows.
Yeah. And they didn't ask about the smell.
Yeah. Oh, the smell was still lingering.
To me here, hence I'm saying it was now here, because it's like police didn't pick up that smell.
Yeah.
They didn't, my brother, pick up that smell. And usually they get into the cell every day.
Yes.
Hey, they get into the cell to check in jail we are on point in terms of cleaning. One tell my brother.
Yeah.
So, opelelepi, that's the main question. angazi mina ungabuzi mina nami ngiloku ngiyabuza ukuthi waphelelaphi lo mjito ngoba since ngagcina ukumbona mina la azange ngisaphinde ngimbone cela ungangibuza into eziningi so now as I said think about your kid.
Yes. Your kid is the visitor.
Your kid now is a visitor. O tlo claima ko mang kae ninjwa ko wena ba ka tloa batla fela ba re your child escaped.
Yes, because they also don't know.
Yeah, they also don't know.
That's crazy.
But they could see hore ba mo bolaile.
Yeah.
Hence le wena mo hae o ka tshwa ra apa ba mo bolaile le nna nka nna ka tshwa ka re hae ba mo bolaile but are not proof. But now I think I'm closer.
Yeah.
Closer. I'm very closer. So Bafet, lo wena as a light da. A o batla future mfowethu lo wena.
Yeah.
A o sheba ro ka fita in that situation. Ke ka ntse re ho sho ye tha o batla o joina molao o sho ukuthi apa mhlambe ya peta ngenhliziyo because others they don't say it loud, right? Yeah. Ukuthi bona bo nongoloza bobana.
Yes.
Ungafita kuleso situation sekuwuwe now the visitor. Angeke mfana semzini, please let us think about that parents, let us think about that the community, please bafowethu asicabangeni ngaleyo nto yabo. So before ngevala mfowethu ngisothi bafethu niloko ningakhohlwa ukuthi ngiphethe uBenyan Betty la nimthenge sikathengisa online sisters.
Okay.
Ikhona online iBenyan Betty. Yeah.
We can include the link in the description.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Bakhona uBenyan Betty bazithole mfethu yabona. Yeah, this is a bandana nayo. Yeah, this is a bandana. As you can see, the t-shirt is nice.
Yes,
and shout out to my sister. Hey, my sister Ron Sharp mfethu because I haven't been a good boy lately, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I haven't been a good boy.
I wonder what does that mean.
But no, she she knows I'm an honest guy.
Please.
Yeah, she knows.
Okay.
And tell her my brother. Shout out to you, my sister. I hope all a man. Benyan Betty, I reckon more.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because it's our label of it. It's our brand in South Africa. Thank you very much.
And I remember before we were
Yeah.
I remember we were having this conversation and you said something which I found so profound concerning local brands and how as South Africans, as local people, we often wait for those things to pop internationally first before we embrace them. Yeah,
and Bafethu, that is very, very, very wrong.
Yeah.
One chala, my brother. That is very wrong. Just imagine your children don't respect you, but you see they respect your neighbor. As to why you don't know. You see, it is hurting.
It is.
One chala, my brother. Or now you disrespect your parent. Up until you see your neighbor's child respecting your father. Then you come and act like you respect your father now. So it is important, my brother, to embrace and support our local brand before they can be supported far away. And then when they come back, now we take them serious. That is to be hypocrite.
Definitely, yeah.
So, and those people, they won't take us serious.
Definitely not.
Because we don't value our things until they show us this is valuable. Until they validate us. So it's like we are lost. So in terms of building each other, let's supporting each other, guys. Let's support each other and talk about each other. Embrace each other. Respect each other. Acknowledge each other locally before other people can acknowledge us. Because what they are doing is not acknowledging us, is to eating from us, acting like they acknowledge us. No, let us acknowledge us and tell them their stories rather than them telling us our stories. So by supporting our local brand fully, it is to say to people who we are. It is to tell them we know ourselves and we know how we want to be addressed. number one educational speaker in the whole world. Next time, bafethu, sisonke.